So we're going to set up a bear spread using puts. With the bear spread using puts, we are taking a speculative position. I have my Thinkorswim paper money account on my iPad. I'm going to tap on Apple, just as an example, and then notice the menu. It says Chart, News, Options, Portfolio, and Profile. I'm going to tap on Options. Now, we're going to go for April the 9th. I just want to be consistent with the lecture videos that I prepared. So we're going to use April the 9th. We're doing bear spread, a vertical spread, using puts. So the puts are on the right hand side, and the current price is 241.41. So I'm going to go with a 240 that I'm going to buy. So I'm going to tap on the ask price for the 240 strike price on the right hand side. That is 640. Now, as soon as I tap on it, an order editor comes up, and notice this is a vertical spread. So there are two option legs in a vertical spread. The one that I have over on the left hand side, upper left hand side on the order editor, it says 9 APR 20 240 put 100 weekly 10. Well, first of all, I'm going to change the quantity from 10 contracts into 1, and now I have to add a leg, because the idea behind a vertical put spread debit is to make this cheaper. As it is, we're paying $640 for this, but it's a lot of money, and therefore we want to lower the cost of this bet by writing a put option at a lower strike. So for the lecture exercise, we went with the 230. So I'm going to go with the 230 strike price. Notice the bid price is $3.20. I'm going to tap on it. Now notice I now have two legs into this vertical put spread. The first one is a positive one. That is the one that we're buying at 240, and we're going to pay $640 for this. And then negative one, this is the one that we're writing to make this cheaper at 230. If you tap on done, we're back to the order editor. Now you have two positions with negative signs right next to it. Those are the delete those if you want to. Notice there's a limit price, 303. Now we kept saying that we're going to buy this at 640 and then sell the other one at 320, but the spread is priced on its own, and therefore you could actually try to sell it or buy this spread a little cheaper, or perhaps pay a little bit more just so that this trade goes fast. So notice there's a little bar mid and nat. You actually see a low price of 303 and a high price of 3.20. In fact, I'm even going to make it 3.3 just so that the paper trade would go. Now it's Sunday night, so I can't have this order filled, but if you tap on paper trade and then confirm, you will see that this is going to go. Again, what we did is we are buying +1, that is our 240 put, and we're going to be paying $640 for that one. And then we're writing a lower strike price to make this cheaper, and we're going to write that one at 320. We're still paying $330+ for a maximum of $1,000 value. So at the highest point, we can realize about $670 of a profit out of this trade. So that's about it. Thank you.